Here's what the hustle culture movement got completely backwards. Working harder doesn't build wealth, systems do. I'm going to show you the three mindset shifts that separate the people grinding themselves into the ground from the people building systems that compound while they sleep. I'm a business manager at a Fortune 20 company. I consult businesses on digital transformation and business development on the side. On paper, I was doing everything right, six figures, a career advancing, and for years, I thought that was the ticket. But six figures does not buy financial freedom. I know that firsthand. I was spending over $100,000 per year due to lifestyle creep, the car, the apartment, the subscriptions, the upgrades. Every raise I earned, I spent. My income was going up, but my financial leverage was staying completely flat. That is the treadmill. It has a better label as you get promoted, but is still a treadmill. Then my dad died. He was a Vietnam Marine. He earned a Silver Star for his service. He was murdered. And I spent my 27th birthday sitting in a courtroom at his murder trial. That's not something that you can just process on a lunch break. And sitting in that courtroom, I realized something. Every income system that I had neglected to build was a threat to my actual life. Because when life hits you, and it will, a job isn't a safety net. It's just another system that requires your attendance. I also went through an adrenalectomy when I was younger, surgery for an adrenal tumor. My body doesn't handle stress the way most people's bodies do. I cannot afford to build my financial future on a strategy that requires me to be at peak performance every single day. It's just not realistic. So I started building differently. Here are the three mindset shifts that changed everything. Shift 1. Stop selling time. Start buying leverage. Every dollar you earn needs one question answered. Are you trading time for it, or is it compounding? A paycheck is time for money. The moment you stop showing up, it stops. Most people spend their entire career optimizing that trade. Promotions, raises, performance reviews. They never risk. The entrepreneur mindset says, build a second track, keep the income, deploy a portion of it into systems that earn independently. So I'm building that second track right now through content as well as through Go Mining. Link is in the description. It's not a fortune yet, but it's not tied to my work attendance. That distinction is everything. Shift 2. Treat lifestyle creep like a system leak. Every lifestyle dollar you spend is an opportunity cost. The average earner gets a raise and upgrades their life immediately. The entrepreneur asks a different question. What would this do if I deployed it as an asset instead? I call this life arbitrage. Maximize the gap between what you earn and what you actually need. Then deploy that gap into compounding systems. This isn't minimalism. I'm not telling you to live on rice and beans. I'm telling you to be intentional. I'm actively unwinding $100,000 plus in annual lifestyle expenses right now. I just canceled my Dash Pass subscription and I redeployed it into Go Mining every month. Every dollar I reclaim from lifestyle creep becomes part of that system and it's feeding itself. So I'm documenting this entire build in real time, the Go Mining, the lifestyle audit, the real numbers. Subscribe and follow along. Shift 3, build systems that work when you're not okay. This is the most important shift. I cannot rely on peak performance, not after what my body's been through, not after what I've been through personally. So every system I build gets tested against one question. Does this run if I have a hard week? A business that only works when you're healthy is a liability. A passive income stream that requires daily attention isn't passive. Real wealth systems, compounding assets, cloud mining positions, automated income, they don't care what kind of day you're having. They just work. Real entrepreneurial thinking isn't about grinding harder in perfect conditions. It's about building systems that work even when you're not okay. Build your systems for your worst week, not your best. So here's the summary. 1, stop optimizing the time for money trade, build the leverage track. 2, treat lifestyle creep as a system leak, plug it, deploy it. 3, build systems that don't require you to be okay to run. The entrepreneur mindset isn't motivation, it's architecture. Design the system, let the system do the work. I'm not telling you all this stuff for sympathy. I'm telling you this because it completely rewired my thinking and I believe it can do the same for you. So Where are you in this process right now? Are you still on the treadmill? Are you starting to build the second track? Drop it in the comments. I read everything. I'm Harvey Baker Jr. This is Bank Smartly Media. Let's build.